is sexy. So I got this on sale because I really like the print, I really like the fabric, I really like the color. Obviously, it needs a little bit of work. It's got this placket here that's not really a placket. The hem drops down at the side and then comes back up in the center. It's like a reverse high-low hem in Psycho World. And it's got a lot of Little House on the Prairie going on. So first thing I'm gonna do is shorten it. And I'm going to eyeball where that should be. I think this flower right here is where the hem should fall. Red flower, remember that. Got it. Yes, okay, that was a marathon, but I think we crossed the finish line. I love the back so much. That placket actually makes sense back there to me. I love the front, I love the little rouleau straps, I love the color. Hey babe, I'm going!
What?
Jeans and a t-shirt. I mean, I get it. It's jeans and a t-shirt. It's classic. It looks pretty good. I would like to make it something that I would walk outside in, which means I'm going to put stuff on it. I think I'm gonna put stuff on the hem of these jeans, up the leg. I'm definitely gonna take that hemline out because it's very clean. And I am a clean person, but I don't like clean lines. And the t-shirt, I don't know, but I'm gonna do something to it. I'm gonna funkify it. Yes, okay, I think it worked. I love the asymmetry of the flowers. Let's check out this. Oh, yes, that's gonna keep any of the riffraff off my back. I gotta go play in the sunshine. Bye. Yeah, I got this at a summer sale. It's the perfect color for this project, but it's all one color. So I'm gonna throw a contrasting facing on it somewhere, and I'm gonna put giant scallops at the hem of the dress, because that's what you do. Yeah, that's what I want. I love the pom-pom trim so much. Actually, when I go up on my tiptoes like this, you know that I really love it. I love the contrast of the fabric. I think it needs one more thing. Yeah. 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 Okay, so I was going for shabby chic.
You trying to pull off granny chic, babe?
It's not really working, is it? The trim is like too contrasty. Like, what's going on here?
You pull it out of Nan's closet. I don't know.
I did. Okay. Scrap it. Sometimes you gotta scrap it.
Sure.
Go for Vogue 9253. You love that pattern.
Do I?
You do.
Okay.
You love it.
Great.
Trust me. I mean, that's so much better. That looks way more elegant to me. Look, this contrasting trim.
Oh yeah, no, that's great. That's a lot better.
Yeah, you like that?
Yeah.
Do you like the belt?
Is it stitched down?
Yeah.
Oh, it's great.
I actually know what that means, so I'm just gonna go get my seam ripper. Marrying this fantastic pattern to a sheer fabric meant I had to omit some things. Less is more. Putting a simple trim around the neckline and sleeve hem is really all that it needed. I'm ready to go play in the sunshine. I'll see y'all later. Okay, so I got this on sale. It's super trendy, little crop top. But it's a crop top, and it's kind of uncomfortable. So I've been thinking I should add a circle skirt made out of wax print fabric to it, because crop tops, man.
Hey, nobody looks good in a crop top.
Actually, you kind of look really good in a crop top. Let's check it out.
Hey, looks great.
Yeah?
Yeah. That's Interesting flower placement.
It might not have been the best choice. Okay, luckily I have a lot more fabric and I can recut it with all of the extra fabric.
Yeah, you think?
I do think. The large-scale flowers on this wax print circle skirt really make it pop, especially when you figure out where to put them. I love how this turned out. Bye, guys. What's up, people? This is Marcy Harriell. In this series, I'm gonna take clothing off the rack and out of the envelope and hopefully make it awesome. Tell me what you think. Bye.
You'll have to watch and find out.
You'll have to watch and find out.